Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how to hide your IP address on your MacBook Pro. Hiding your IP address keeps your online activity private. It also helps you stay safe on public Wi-Fi networks and stops websites from tracking you. Before we start, if you want to hide your IP address in the safest and easiest way, you can use NordVPN. Use the link in the description to try it at a great price. Now let's begin first. Go to the official NordVPN website by using the link in the description. It will take you to the correct page with the latest deal. Once the page is open, download the NordVPN app for macOS. The file will start downloading to your Applications folder. After the download finishes, open the file and move the NordVPN app into Applications. Now open the NordVPN app from Launchpad or from the Applications folder. When it opens for the first time, you will see a simple login screen. Sign in with your account. If you do not have an account, you can create one in a few minutes. Once you are signed in, the app will show a map and a list of servers. Now this is the part where your IP address becomes hidden. All you have to do is click the Quick Connect button. NordVPN will automatically choose the best and safest server for your connection. When you are connected, your real IP address is now hidden. Websites and apps will see the IP address of the VPN server instead of yours. If you want to choose a specific location, you can select any country from the list on the left side. For example, you can pick the United States, the United Kingdom, Germany, or any region you prefer. As soon as you click on a country, NordVPN will connect to it and your IP address will change again. You can also enable more privacy settings for extra safety. You can also turn on threat protection. This helps block harmful websites and trackers. These features help keep your information private at all times. This is the easiest way to hide your IP address on a MacBook Pro. It takes only a few minutes and gives you strong privacy. Before we end, remember that NordVPN is one of the best tools for privacy and security. If you want to try NordVPN for a great price, use the link in the description. It will take you to the special offer page.